Birds fly freely across the sky. But one bird suddenly stops. Below, a small tree is dying. Its leaves dry, its roots crying for water. The bird flies down. Her heart feels heavy. She carries water in her tiny beak. Drop water. Then she called group of birds. They are carried water for, saving the tree. Days later, the tree grows tall, strong, full of green leaves and sweet fruits. The bird lays her eggs safely in the tree. Her home, her hope. Suddenly, a greedy woodcutter comes to cut the tree. The bird cries helplessly, because no one like or subscribe.